Hair fall is a problem that affects millions of people worldwide. If you are one of them, you know just how frustrating and disheartening it can be to watch your hair thin and fall out. But what if we told you that there's more to hair fall than just bad luck or genetics? What if we told you that science holds the key to understanding this common problem? In this video, we're going to explore the science of hair fall. We'll take a closer look at the biology of hair growth, the factors that can contribute to hair loss, and the cutting-edge research that's helping us better understand this complex issue. Whether you're dealing with hair fall yourself or you're just curious about the science behind it, this video is for you. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating world of hair loss and hair growth. Hair fall is a natural part of the hair growth cycle. Our hair goes through three phases: the anagen phase, the catagen phase, and the telogen phase. During the anagen phase, the hair follicle is actively growing hair. This phase can last for several years. During the catagen phase, the hair follicle stops growing and starts to shrink. This phase lasts for a few weeks. Finally, during the telogen phase, the hair falls out and the follicle remains inactive for a few months before the cycle starts all over again. But sometimes, things can go wrong with this cycle. Factors like genetics, hormonal imbalances, poor nutrition, and even stress can disrupt the normal hair growth cycle and cause hair to fall out at an accelerated rate. It's important to remember that not all hair loss is the same. There are different types of hair loss, including androgenetic alopecia, alopecia areata, and telogen effluvium, each with its own unique causes and treatments. While there's no one-size-fits-all solution to hair fall, there are things you can do to support healthy hair growth. Eating a balanced diet, taking supplements, reducing stress, and using gentle hair care products can all help promote healthy hair growth. For some people, hair transplant surgery may be an option. This procedure involves taking hair from a donor area and transplanting it onto areas of the scalp with thinning or balding hair. Voiceover: understanding the science behind hair fall can help you make informed decisions about your hair health. Remember, there's no need to suffer in silence. With the right care and support, you can take control of your hair health and feel confident in your appearance once again. Thanks for watching the video. PLS like and subscribe.